Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about my desk setup and how do I literally set up each and everything on my desk so it's accessible to me as a freelancer. And if you are a freelancer too, so shout out to you, and
make sure to like this video and also subscribe if you haven't already.
Number one thing is this Ikea table that I have got from Ikea, and it's an amazing table. The only thing is that you have to DIY it when you get it, and it was the toughest part when I got it. So I'll just show you a behind the scenes of me like doing everything with the screwdrivers and stuff. The only con that I found was that the holes in the table were really small, so like you had to really push yourself and like do it. So you can see I'm tired, so I just told my dad to do it for me and then finally the table was ready. The second thing I have is a laptop, and it's an HP laptop. All the details you can find it in the description box below. And so I love this laptop. You can see my vision board on the screensaver and it's just amazing. Next up we have this amazing wireless mouse from Logitech, and it is just amazing because I don't like too many wires hanging around my laptop, and so yeah, it's the best. Coming on to the laptop stand, now this is one of the coolest thing. It's an adjustable laptop stand. You can adjust the height of your stand based on how heighted your table is, and you can see I'm struggling with one hand with this. And so basically you can then, once you adjust the height, then you can put your laptop placing it like this, and yeah, it's pretty cool. It will look something like this while your laptop is on it. Next up we have the mobile stand from Ikea, and this is a accessory that I got for like 300-400 bucks. It's available on Amazon, and you can see I've just placed my Bluetooth remote over here just to show you how it looks, and you can even place books or hang your headphones on it. It's not a necessity, but if you like it you can buy it from Amazon. I have links in the description. So the next thing we have is the lighting kit, and I have the details in the description box. It's an amazing tool if you want to record videos. It has a Bluetooth light and on the front and on the back. If you want to record tabletop videos, it extends way longer than this shown here. Next up I have the amazing web camera. It's the Logitech C22 Pro web camera, and I absolutely love it. So you can see the whole table setup is finally ready, and I love it, you guys. You can find all the links in the description box.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed my desk setup. I know it's not the perfect one, but I'm still getting there, and I'm so thankful that I've still come till here, and I know it's only up and above from here. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.